Hey guys, how's it going? It's SoundClear, and today I'm going to show you how to make some really cool supersaws using FM. So no voices, no unison, only raw FM. So let's go into our DAW and get started with this tutorial. So thanks to Arturia for sponsoring this video, we're going to be using Pigments 3. I'm going to show you a really neat way of using FM, more specifically Exponential FM modulation, to create a really cool Supersaw sound. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to create a new preset, which is going to create a really nice basic sine wave here. I'm going to go here. First thing I'm going to do is set it to exponential. And I'm going to use engine number 2 as our modulator. And I'm going to go here. I'm going to use our analog engine to create it as detuned and analog as possible. I'm going to turn down the output volume. And what this is doing is that we aren't hearing the second engine, but it's still going into the wavetable here. Now I'm gonna remove the morphing here. I'm gonna choose a saw wave. And if I enable the second one here, sounds like a very slightly detuned Supersaw. And basically what we're using our two oscillators to create this really nice detuned Supersaw. And we can create some really cool modulations here. For example, we can and we just added here a really nice detune effect here. And it sounds really analog, it sounds really pure. And this technique I learned by using my Mililog XD, which, since it's an analog hardware, it's really hard to create some really thick supersaws. And I found that using exponential modulation helps out really great to fake this super big supersaw using FM. And we can make it even more deep by using some chorus. So I like a bit of a slower chorus. I'm gonna and we can add more elements. For example, we can add some OTT, crunch it up a little bit. And we can add some EQ as well. you sharpen up the high end. You can create here a low cut. And using the filters here, you can use and select different filter modes and completely changes the characteristics of the sound. This sounds a little bit muddy, low end. I really like how this Jupiter 8 filter sounds. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. Now, to add a little bit more depth to it, more randomness, I'm gonna create here a really short reverb. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna decrease the decay, increase the size, remove the pre-delay. It's really subtle, but it's there and it's helping out so much in the mix. And there you have it. It's a really simple way to use FM to create some really cool supersaws. And this is very friendly to your CPU because since you're not adding extra voices or unison, it creates a really cool, unique supersaw that is not the same as just detuning two oscillators. It's not the same as adding two voices. It's really unique and it's really useful. For example, if you're wanting to create a really unique chord stack and have this nice little solid layer as a foundation for your chord stack and such. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, this was SoundKitter. Thank you Arturia for sponsoring this video and giving us the tools to create this awesome tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.